Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel 8, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So I have really tried to find best themes, so 3 bad themes for this device, and unfortunately I can't locate a theme on the third place. I wanted to locate Niagara Launcher on the third place on my top, but unfortunately I can't do it just because standard Pixel Launcher is very good to be not in the top. So Pixel Launcher is great. Of course it's minimalistic, it have no any great features, so we have no anything great here. We have here only wallpaper and style, and here we have here we can change the icon accent color. Of course it will change the accent color in the whole system, but it's not just launcher setting, okay? So just system setting. So we can change the wallpapers here. Wallpapers here are beautiful and so are beautiful, okay? And it's really great, as you can see when I'm changing the wallpaper, so my icons changing the accent, and it's great. So this launcher is good, and I can suggest you to use this launcher. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher. So we have really beautiful device. As you can see, we have really beautiful Pixel device. It's very beautiful, one of the most beautiful smartphones you can buy, and here we have really beautiful screen, and unfortunately our standard Pixel launcher is not too beautiful to look on your screen, to look on your home screen and appreciate of using the device. So I think that Smart Launcher 6 can resolve this problem, because Smart Launcher 6 is beautiful. So as you can see, here we have minimalistic interface, here we have the icons, the apps folders, and all of the applications are grouping to these folders automatically, so it's very great. Here we can customize, hide apps, and create new folders. Unfortunately, we can't create new folders in the free version, so this is the reason why I can't locate this launcher in the first place, because here the creating new folders is the prime feature you need to pay. And here we have the most beautiful wallpaper gallery you can find in the world. So wallpaper gallery is updating here every day. It's very beautiful and it looks great, and with these styles, with these fonts, with these icons, it looks just great. And not the Pixel but Smart Launcher colors are looking beautiful on Pixel and on Pixel screen. Okay, as you can see, here we have normal Pixel shapes, and here we have Smart Launcher shapes, and yes, it looks better. Cool. On the first place in my top will be not too beautiful launcher, but very functional launcher. This is the most functional launcher you can find, you can use, you can install. So open it, click skip, continue, let's go. Cool. Here we have the glance panel. This is one of the killer features of these launchers. As you can see, this launcher is not minimalistic and it looks like Microsoft, okay? So it's very similar to normal Android, but it's not too light. So if you like standard Pixel launcher, so maybe this launcher will be beautiful for you. But not for me. I love this launcher because it's very functional and it can improve your life, improve your life stability. So here we have the glance panel. In the glance you can have all your widgets, your social widgets. You can have your tasks, your calendar, your, I don't know, Microsoft Teams, your meetings, your Google Meet. You can have all your widgets here, and it's very, very, very useful because you don't need to switch between thousands of home screens to find desired widget. It's really great feature. Here we have the wallpaper button that can change the wallpapers by the one click, but I really don't like Microsoft wallpapers on the Windows devices and on the Microsoft Launcher too. I don't know why, but I just don't like this style. And here on the on the right panel, we have alphabetical line. If you have a lot of applications, it's very useful feature to faster find applications. Here we have voice search, Bing search with the Bing AI built into the system. Here we have hidden apps feature. We can hide apps, and in the settings we have the killer feature of this launcher. Of course, here we have more features, but this is a really killer feature because, for example, by swiping up with 2 fingers, I can open any application and I can start any function I want. For example, opening the calculator by swiping up on the home screen from down to up, and it's really great. So if you will try, of course, now you can see it and wondering why I need it, but if you will try, you can understand that it's really great improvement of the life and of the productivity, because just sometimes you trying to find, I don't know, Facebook to check your ads manager, but you see Instagram here and you're thinking, oh, I forgot to answer on the message, so Instagram, I need to open it. But no, if you have gestures, you just not wondering about what do you want to open, so just opening you need, and it's really great type of communication with the device. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, so leave a like, leave a comment, and bye. See you.